Hi friends, today I'm gonna try to show you this button knot that Miss Nancy taught us. I've got my cord here initially just folded in half, so the loop's at the top. You can ignore that knot there. You'll just have a loop at the top, and right now this is my loop here underneath the knot, and then you have two ends coming down, and so free ends here. There. Yeah. So I'm going to try to do this and video at the same time. First thing you do is you're going to make a loop with the right hand string. So you're actually looping it around to the top like that. Okay, that's the first step. And you just cross it over. See, it's just over the top. Let me do that again. You loop it around. Just make a loop. And it's just like that. Okay, it's just on top. Then you need to twist the loop. Okay, so you just twisted the loop. That's all you did. Okay, and I'm gonna pause there. Okay, now I'm gonna take my pin and I'm gonna help myself by pinning it down. If you can see there. Okay, then I still have my two ends, right? I have 1, 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my left hand end and I'm going to put it underneath the other side. Very important, it has to go underneath or this won't work. Underneath of that, okay? So that's all I did. I just took the left hand end, put it underneath the right hand end. Then I'm going to go in here, underneath this one string, and then out, okay? And then I'm going to pull both of these. And I'm actually going to remove the pins. Let's see if I can do this. Ah, my hand's in the way. I'm going to pull both ends. I really need another hand. Until I get a circle. Kind of a pretzel with a center. See that? I didn't do anything. I just pulled the ends and made that circle. It's a pretzel sort of thing, but I'm making it into a circle and all the strings are kind of around. And I still have my 1, 2 ends down. So here's where I tend to mess it up. You take your right hand string, okay? You go over these top two, the loop at the top, over them. Then you come under and through the center of the circle. And I'm caught, sorry. Just through there. Okay, should I do that again? Let me do that again. Pulling it back out. I made my pretzel. I made my circle. Take the right hand loop, go over the top two, and then under through the center. And pull it all the way through. And this is also helps. Flip it up. And then you have the other one. You only go over the one, not both this time. So over the one side of that loop and then through the center. And that's it. Then you've got both of your cords together and you actually can pull both sides. I can't do it right now with one hand, but you can pull both sides at the same time and tighten up your button knot and fool around with it to get it all even. Okay? And that's how you do your button knot.